Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Under the hood sits a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces 283 horsepower and 260 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 17-inch aluminum wheels and heated power-adjustable mirrors. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a power liftgate that gives us access to the 33 cubic feet of trunk space, which expands to up to 143.8 cubic feet thanks to the Stow N Go rear seats. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our automatic headlight controls. This Grand Caravan is also equipped with heated power-adjustable leather seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for your comfort are tri-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have remote start and entry buttons. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our power sliding rear doors, as well as our heated Stow N Go second row captain's chairs, and third row seating that allows for seating for up to 7 people. And finally, we have our rear climate controls.